Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Payoneer to Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so if you want to receive payments from your Amazon affiliate program into your Payoneer account, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this in a few steps. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into Amazon Associates. As you can see, just search here for Amazon Associates. As you can see, the first one, click on the first results. Okay, so after you are here on your Amazon Associate, here you want to click on traditional lines in the top right here, and then you want to click on account and you want to click on account settings. Now after, guys, you click on account settings, you want to click here, it says change payment method, and then after that you want to click here, it says add bank account. Okay, plus, okay, let me show you again. This plus bank account, you want to add it, click on it, and then you want to click on add the new bank account. Okay, here the bank location, I'm going to, now you want to go now to your Payoneer, then click on get paid, and then click on receiving accounts, and you want to select USD, as you can see, based in USA. Now the bank name here is this one, as you can see, Citibank, which is the bank name. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Bank name here, I'm going to paste it here. The account holder name, the account holder name, which is your own name. Okay, this is, I'm going to paste it here, the account holder name. Okay, the account number, this is it. I'm going to enter here the account number. Now you need to confirm here the account number. Okay, and here the account type, it's checking, let me check here, it's checking account. So I'm going to check here, I'm going to click on checking. The bank currency is US dollars, of course. The routing number is this, like as you can see, and then click on paste it and then click on save changes. Now when you click, guys, on save changes, this is exactly the payment method that Amazon will use to send your payments. Okay, so now just keep sending affiliate links to people, keep promoting the products, and then your bank account that you have added will receive payments automatically, so you don't even have to touch anything. Okay, every like 3 months or 2 months they will send the payments directly to your bank account. Okay, this depends on your first affiliate commission. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments and I will try to reply to you guys. Okay, drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial.